how to make $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing. If we haven't met yet, my name is Christy and I help women brand themselves and make money online. And you guys, affiliate marketing is huge right now. It has grown to over $15 billion in sales in 2022, and it just keeps rising every single year. And that is because e-commerce is on the rise. You guys, everybody is buying things online, right? You've seen all the influencers out there. They're sharing their Amazon links. They're sharing their Walmart links. There's a reason for that because they are getting paid when people purchase with those links. It's called affiliate marketing. So how do you jump in on this trend? Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom like me and you're like, okay, I wanna learn how to make money online. That's what we're gonna be talking about in today's video. So it's actually really simple to become an affiliate for almost any store or brand out there today. You can become an affiliate for Amazon. That's a really, really easy one. Walmart has an affiliate program. Even Target has an affiliate program, okay? You can become an affiliate for almost anything that you love. So another easy way to become an affiliate and get your own unique links is to try a website like Digistore24, CJ Affiliate, or ClickBank. You will find so many products that you can become an affiliate for and begin sharing your unique link and earning commissions. Now, here's something to look for when you are looking at an affiliate opportunity or you're looking for a brand to partner yourself with. Number one, what is the commission structure? Okay. For example, Amazon is amazing because they have like almost every product under the sun, right? But you're only going to make like 2 to 3% commission on that. And you know, when someone clicks on your Amazon link, you'll be cookied to them for 2 or 3 days and you'll earn a commission on anything that they end up buying within those couple days. But after that, you don't earn commission on connecting that person to your Amazon store anymore, okay? They would have to click a new link or, you know, something like that. So that's something to be aware of. The average affiliate commission is anywhere from 3 to 15%. So you'll just kind of have to look and see. But my favorite affiliate programs to get involved with is something that has a high commission and that I get paid on the lifetime of the customer. That's really, really important to me because that's really leveraging your time. So I'm gonna link a video here that shares my favorite affiliate program. And what it is you can earn up to 36% commission. You will earn on the lifetime of that customer. So all you have to do is get your links set up and then share your links. That's gonna connect that customer to you forever and you're gonna earn commission. We get paid up to twice a day. It is incredible. So be sure you check out that video if you're interested in partnering with a clean living brand. If that's something that's important to you, this will be perfect. Always make sure that you're connecting with a reputable company and you know, something that is important to you that is easy to share. Maybe you are in the beauty industry. You know, you can be an affiliate for Sephora. You can be an affiliate for, you know, a makeup company, right? There's so many different things that you could talk about and promote and share that will help people, but that will also bring income into your family. So truly, you can earn an incredible income with affiliate marketing if you do it right. I have a 15-day boot camp for you that is going to help you learn all of the basics of affiliate marketing to help you to do it right so that you can truly build an incredible business being an affiliate marketer and jump on this trend of making money online. This training is the most complete training that I've ever seen on affiliate marketing, how to get started, how to get it set up the right way. So I hope you will check that out. If you have any questions about getting started making money online, you can message me over on Instagram. I will link that below as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like it, share it with a friend who maybe is looking for ways to make money online, and make sure you subscribe to this channel because every single week I post a free training with a resource to help you grow your brand in your business online. And so you never miss out on another episode of Christy Rajepi TV.